Hi guys, it's Lisa again. So today we are going to cover Langley Roundabout, and here we are going to cover 3 exits. The first one would be Hounslow A4, which is second exit. The second one is gonna be the one towards Datchet, and the third one is gonna be from Datchet side coming towards Upton Court Park towards SLOUGH Test Center. So these are the 3 exits, because the other 2, they are like motorways. You won't be taken that side. Yeah, so if you have any questions at the end of the video, let me know in the comments below, and I'm happy to answer your questions. And yeah, so let's move on. And the first one we are going to do, that is Hounslow A40. Sorry, Hounslow A4. I'm sorry. So now this time on Langley Roundabout, we will be taking the second exit towards Hounslow A4. And over here, we are gonna stay in the middle lane. The reason is the very left lane is left turning only. So if you go ahead from the left turning lane only, you're gonna get a serious mistake. So you stay in the second lane. And do you see the van guy, how he skipped? Okay, so we are taking the second exit now. We are positioned fully to the left, and then we are taking this exit towards Hounslow Colnbrook A4. That's it. That is our second exit towards Hounslow on Langley Roundabout. So here I'm coming from the SLOUGH side, and now I need to go to the third exit towards Datchet. So I'm gonna move my car fully to the right hand side, and you don't need to keep signaling as this lane is only going right. So we stay behind this car, and oh, that's zoomed in. Okay, so now you can see I'm moving behind this car. I'm in the very right hand lane, and soon this lane I am in right now is gonna become a middle lane. So that was the first exit on the left, and now you can see, oops, now I'm in the middle lane. So this is the second exit coming up on the left, which is towards Hounslow Colnbrook, and now I'm gonna move to the very left. So this very left lane is gonna take me towards Datchet, and here we are, Datchet, and that was the third exit. So simple. So you just need to plan your lanes. So now the next exit we are going to cover is SLOUGH Langley A4, which is to, Upton Park as well. And I'm going to position my car, and this is me coming from Datchet side. So I'm going to position my car fully to the left, and even on the roundabout I'm going to position my car fully to the left, and I'm going to stop at the stopping line. And once our traffic light is green, I'm gonna move off like this, and I'm gonna position my car to the very left lane after the first exit. And you can see this left lane is left turning only. So this was the second exit coming from Datchet side, and it's called SLOUGH Langley A4, but it's towards Upton Court Park. So that's it. That was the main thing we had to cover for this Red Cow roundabout, and now I'm going back towards SLOUGH Test Center. So if you have any question about that, let me know, and I'm also gonna try to put a picture on of this roundabout so you can see better. And it's quite simple. The main thing is you just need to plan your lane discipline. Okay, your lanes, you need to plan that. And actually the whole test is nothing. It's very simple, very easy. You just need to have some time to plan your test, your route and everything. So make sure whenever you're getting closer to the roundabouts, you're not in the fastest speed so you can't control. Okay, any questions, let me know in the comment below. And that's it. Good luck for your test if it's coming soon. And if you're a new driver, make sure you don't get nervous, you are relaxed. It's not a devil coming and taking a test of you. No. So it's just a normal human being, and normally driving examiners are quite nice, so don't worry. Okay, bye.